BCCI President Sourav Ganguly on Wednesday went into home quarantine after his elder brother and Cricket Association of Bengal Joint Secretary Snehashish Ganguly tested positive for COVID-19. Snehashish, a former Bengal first-class player, has been admitted to the Bellevue Hospital here after his COVID report came positive. He was suffering from fever for the last few days and his test report came positive today. He's been admitted to Bellevue Hospital, a CAB official told PTI. The reports arrived late in the evening. As per health protocols, even Sourav Ganguly will have to be home quarantined for a stipulated period. A source close to the BCCI president added. Snehashish has been shifted to their ancestral house, where Sourav is based in Behala after his wife and in-laws at his Mominpur residency tested positive for the dreaded virus. The former Indian captain was, however, unavailable for a comment on the development. Recently, during an interview to India Today, Sourav had spoken about how life around him has changed, making people more vulnerable. "My brother visits our factories every day and he is more at risk," the former batting star had said. Not only Sourav but also CAB chief Abhishek Dalmia is to be home quarantined. Due to the continuing rise in COVID-19 cases, Ganguly was handling all his BCCI work from an office near his residence, while the shooting for his popular Bengali TV show Dadagiri Unlimited Season 8 had not resumed. There was a notice saying that the Rajarhat studio was in a containment zone, so we could not resume any shooting for the Season 8 this time. Giving a health update on Snehashish, Dalmia, in a statement issued by CAB, said, "These are tough times. He has admitted himself yesterday at a city hospital. Other than having mild temperature, he is all right at the moment. Wish him a speedy recovery." Snehashish's family, wife, mother-in-law, father-in-law, along with their domestic help, had tested positive for the dreaded virus on June 20th at Mominpur residence. Since then, the elder Ganguly had shifted to their ancestral house in Chandni Bhavan in Behala, where BCCI president is based. Let us all pray for his speedy recovery.
I think, Sharmila, if you always believe that everything that you do.
Hello everyone, I'm Vicky Kaushal and you're watching me on Sharmila Show House.
Absolutely fantastic to appear on Sharmila Show for the very first time and keep watching the show, and I hope to be back soon.
Great honor to be here. Thank you so much.
Keep on watching Sharmila Show House because she brings the most unbelievable topics to you.
आत्मविश्वास होना, अपने से प्यार हो तो कोई भी बाधा बड़ी नहीं लगेगी आपको.
Keep watching Sharmila Show House. It's a great place to find out deep insights about people.
I think she's different at different places.
Be progressive. Be positive. Do yourself. Understand your duties more than your rights.
It was lovely talking to you, Sharmila.
You train for all kind of roles.
Hi, this is Varun Sukhi and you're watching Sharmila Show House.
It was a great pleasure to be with Sharmila ma'am.
Hi, मैं हूँ सचिन जोशी और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शर्मिला शो हाउस पर.
Very good friend and a journalist. My best wishes to Sharmila.
Happy to be on Sharmila Show House.
Hi, I'm Arjun Mathur and you're watching me on Sharmila's Show House.
Thank you for having me here.
So all the viewers of Sharmila Show House, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this interview. Thank you for having us.
इनका शो देखते रहिएगा.
And you're watching Sharmila Show House.